Hi guys, it's Jeff here, the Photographer's Mentor, and in this video I want to talk about your own personal Facebook newsfeed. Now, this is something that I did about 3 or 4 months ago, and obviously you go onto Facebook. If you're like me, you probably sit there scrolling through your phone on a night when you finish work and looking and seeing what's happening. And there is a lot of crap out there, and there's also a lot of negative people, a lot of people who just use Facebook to complain about life, and those are the people I really don't want to be surrounded by. So what I've done over the past few months is I've tailored my Facebook newsfeed for what I call positivity and inspiration. So all the people who I really like, I really get on with, and who don't post negative stuff, don't use Facebook for going, for God's sake, I'm sick of this and this has happened to me, and oh, I'm fed up with my life and all that sort of stuff. I've got rid of all them. I haven't unfriended them. I've just unfollowed them, so I don't see their posts in my newsfeed. They don't get a notification that they've been unfollowed, and they don't get a notification that I've defended them, because I haven't. I won't defend people. But what I've done is I've made the people who I find inspirational and who I'm good friends with, I'll follow them first. And I've also made a point of following a lot of pages, and I've followed pages that are industry specific to me. So other mentors, other marketeers, other inspirational people, So like of Tony Robbins, Zig Ziglar, even though yes, he's passed away, but he still has a page and people are posting to his page. So I get a lot of inspirational comments. I also follow a lot of photography pages as well, and photography groups, so I get inspiration from those. And I see lots of lovely, fantastic photographs and landscapes from where I live in Northumberland in England here. So basically my Facebook has become like my little morning newspaper or evening newspaper to look through all the positive stuff, all the stuff that I really like. And also it gives me inspiration for my own daily posting on Facebook and speaking to other photographers, and also to help my business. So that's what I would recommend you do. Have a look over your Facebook and then start tailoring it down. Tailoring it down so it's going to help your business. It's going to fill you with inspiration. It's not going to be full of crap of people whinging about who did what and who's fell out with who and who's had an affair with who, and sick of pictures of people's dinners and their cats and that sort of stuff. Make your Facebook your own personal newspaper full of inspirational content, full of stuff that's relevant to your job, and full of stuff that's going to make you sort of look at it in the morning and say, yeah, I'm looking forward to getting on with today and really going out there. And that's what it should be for. And another thing that I've done is I've actually decided to reduce the number of minutes I spend on Facebook and cap my Facebook at 9 o'clock. So I used to go to bed, and like most people, get in bed and then you're still scrolling through Facebook having a look. And now what I do is twice a day, morning and when I go to bed, is I don't touch Facebook at all. And what I've done is I've downloaded an app, and I spend that 20 minutes I would be scrolling through Facebook to learn a language. So I'm now doing conversational Spanish online, and I'm really enjoying it. So I'm learning something, so I'm actually benefiting from playing with my phone when I go to bed or first thing on the morning, instead of just watching everybody else's social media updates. And maybe that's something you could do, or download a photography course, or even a course on marketing, or watch some more of my videos. So, well, I hope you found this useful, and it's give you a few things to think about. I'd love to know your opinions, and if you agree, and if this is something you've done as well. If you have, drop me a message or comment below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks again, guys. Bye now.